shows how to do the crip walk, Samoan style, baby.
Come on. Been a long time to the left, you without a dope beat. Step two, step two, step two, step two, step two, step Somebody picked me the other day for a rendezvous. Took the wrist, that for the whip, and the dungeon fruit. Let's say her name must be this fruit, but she's true. Man, a nigga hit that spot, and I tell him it's
awat sela.
I'm making a whole down, never said I'm sweat later. Made the bitch like Darth Vader. Later, he's Holly Park and red, all the way down to the gator. Like Jada, but we were sharp and sporty, that was shouty. It's a snake on legs and a beauty, it comes with froggy. I was a trip to call her, but she liked me. My baby mama gave me something that's gonna cost me. But I still wanna cut it. She was excited. I wanted the sex to hook up. She said, let's hit the parking lot so I can send your love. I said, cool. I really wanted to cut you, but it's the food. I gotta pick up my daughter, cause my baby mama gave me two. She said she understood and everything was kosher. I gave her a little bit of meat and a pump. That's all why you work. Go ahead and start and make it put some more and we'll talk why you work.
Wakai ada umpa. Yon valen na puna kali.